All right, so out of the box, you have a default programming code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have a default user code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for example, if I hit the lock button, you'll see it lock there. And then my user code, 2, 3, 4, and that'll unlock it there. So we need to change that, and we need to change the default programming code. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to change our programming code. So to do that, we want to put in the default programming code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to hit the unlock, hit 4, hit the unlock again, and I'm going to put in my new code, which is 142536. I'm going to hit the unlock again, and I'm going to re-enter it, and then I'm going to hit the unlock again, and it's going to, you'll see it beep once and go green, and that's how you know you've done that. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set a new user code. Now to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to put in our programming code, the unlock button, hit the 1, the unlock again. Now we're going to set an ID, and this could be anything from 1 to 50. So we're going to do 0, 8. I'm going to hit the unlock button again. Then we're going to put in our user code. So let's do 2536, hit the unlock. Then we'll do 2536 again, hit the unlock. And that's going to be, you'll see a long yellow, and then the light will go off. Now we can test that. So we'll hit the lock button. Then we'll do 2536, unlock, and you see it unlock. So now the question is, where does the ID come in? Now what's important about the ID is that allows you to delete a user code. So as you see, I put in 08 for an ID. And what I can do now is I can do my programming code, 142536. Then I can hit this button, and I can hit the 2, hit the unlock button again, and I can do 08, unlock, 08, unlock. And now it's deleted. Now what I can do, if I lock it, I do 2536, you'll see it won't work because it's been deleted. So that would be how you delete a code. And again, you can have up to 50, and they're deleted by IDs. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and set another one real quick. Now let's do 09, and I'll do 4526. Okay, now it's set. That works. All right, so now we're going to go over how to delete all user codes. So to do this, you would put in your programming code, 142536, hit the unlock button, hit 3, unlock, 14256, and then enter again, and you'll hit a beep, and now all the programming codes are gone. So I'm going to lock it, and what I'll do is I'll do 4526, and you'll see that code has been gone. Now, the only way to unlock it then is to do the programming code, which is 142536, and that will unlock it. And now we've deleted all the codes. Now, there is one other piece of functionality this lock has. It has an auto lock. So to do the auto lock, what you're going to do is do a 142536 programming code, lock, hit the 5, hit that, and then we're going to do 30 seconds. And then we're going to hit the unlock again. And now it's set. Now you can set that from anywhere from 20 to 900 seconds. And what will happen is that as soon as your 30 seconds up, it will automatically lock. So now to cancel it, all we're going to do is do 142536, hit this, 5, 0, 0, and now it's canceled. So now if you wait 30 seconds, it will not lock on you. And that's how you program this keypad.